Hard disk drive is not included in this 8-channel DVR. Option to install an internal surveillance hard drive for continuous local recording. Supports one internal surveillance hard drive of up to 16 TB, hard drive sold separately. Compatible with WD Purple, Toshiba and Seagate surveillance hard drives. TIGERSECU's Super HD Hybrid Security DVR (NVR) is a full-featured hybrid digital video recording system which can be paired with TIGERSECU and third-party brand security cameras. This security DVR without hard drive works with 2MP and 5MP hd-tvi, AHD, CVI, and analog security cameras. Remotely access and play surveillance footage and control the security DVR with no contract or monthly fees with TIGERSECU's HD viewer. For optimal performance, 1 mbps upload speed is recommended for each 1080p camera. Bitrate settings can be adjusted in the DVR to accommodate slower network speeds. Mobile app requires iOS 9.3 or later and Android 9 or later. Features a unique heat-sink fan technology that enables the DVR to self-cool and prevent overheating, which means no fan noise and a quieter system. 4 audio inputs for audio recording in addition to 8 channels of video recording. Supports 3 monitor connections through HD port, VGA, CVBS ports. This set includes one 8-channel CCTV security DVR without pre-installed surveillance hard drive, one 12V3A 100V 240V power supply, remote control, USB mouse, and screws to fasten a surveillance hard drive. Cameras and hard drive sold separately. TIGERSECU security DVR systems are backed by lifetime support and 2-year warranty provided by TIGERSECU. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic. Actually does what they say and even includes a manual. Couldn't believe it. It actually does what they say. They include documentation, free stickers, can be accessed from phone or PC, etc. I have a fair amount of experience with CCTV DVRs, and when my old DVR died, I tried about 3 or 4 new ones. In addition, I am an EE and not an amateur at this tech. All the others had high ratings and they all were terrible except this one. They all look alike and claim similar things, but that is deceptive. I don't know the other units received so many good reviews. Must be because they don't know the difference maybe, or just wanted to the cheapest one. A couple were unusable, unless you wanted to make a career out of trying to get them to work. I don't. This one just worked, had an excellent manual, excellent website, and had supporting software, app, PC software, etc., although they are not needed. Actually, you can get it all running without readying the manual. The startup walks you through everything and I was up and running in 10 minutes with all the features. Again, hard to believe. It's a few dollars more, but just get this one. Forget the others and forget their reviews. Not perfect, but this is the best review I have given and have nothing to gain. If you have the kind of cameras that this supports, just get this one and move on.